Imagine this. Right now, there are people making money on YouTube without a camera, without their voice, without showing their face, and without anyone knowing who they are. And here's the strange part. Most people won't believe this video, but the ones who stay until the end might never look at money the same way again. Let me ask you a simple question. How many YouTube channels do you watch where you have no idea who's behind them? Story channels, facts channels, mystery channels, compilation channels, tutorial channels. YouTube doesn't care who you are. YouTube cares about one thing only. Will the viewer stay or will they leave? The truth nobody tells you. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Showing your face is not an advantage. Sometimes it's actually a disadvantage because people aren't searching for you. They're searching for value, for curiosity, for stories, for solutions. That's why faceless channels are often more stable, more scalable, and more profitable. How people actually make money without showing up. Let's get specific. Method 1. Storytelling channels. True stories, psychological stories, dark or mysterious stories, success and failure stories. All you need: a strong script, a good AI or human voice, simple visuals, basic editing. People are addicted to stories, and the more unpredictable the ending, the longer they watch. More watch time equals more money. Method 2, facts and mystery channels. Did you know? What if? Things nobody tells you. These channels don't require expertise, don't require a face, don't require talent. They rely on curiosity, and curiosity is the most powerful emotion on YouTube. Method 3, tutorial channels without a face, screen recordings, voiceovers, step-by-step explanations, topics like apps and websites, AI, tools, online income, tech fixes, productivity hacks. If you solve a problem, nobody cares what you look like. Method 4, shorts and repurposed content, short clips, quotes, motivational audio, text, and visuals. YouTube Shorts alone have built full channels in just a few months. The mistake that kills 90% of channels. The biggest mistake? Quitting too early. YouTube does not reward speed. YouTube rewards consistency. Your first 10 videos, nobody may watch them. Your first 30 videos, the algorithm starts testing you. Your 60th video, one upload might change everything. Listen carefully. If you don't start, you're not just losing money, you're losing opportunity. Every single day, someone with less skill, less intelligence, and fewer resources than you starts a channel and wins. The only difference? They pressed upload. How to start today. No excuses. Choose one channel idea. Don't overthink it. Create 10 videos before judging results. Forget perfection. Commit to consistency. YouTube is not talent-based. YouTube is system-based. Understand the system, and you win. This might be the most important video you watch this month because now you know. The problem was never the camera, never your voice, never confidence. The problem was simply that you didn't start. If this video opened your eyes, comment below. I'm starting today. Subscribe because what's coming next is even more powerful.